Hey friends, if Microsoft Excel is waiting for another application to complete an OLE action, if you get this error, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Search for Excel in the Windows search bar and open Microsoft Excel. Go to the Workbook tab, click on File, and then select Options. Go to Advanced, scroll down and check this box here which says Ignore other applications that use dynamic data exchange. Click on OK. If it helps, well and good. If not, then close it. Press Windows plus R, type excel.exe space forward slash save and hit enter. And this will open Microsoft Excel in the safe mode. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.